gerddaf gyda thi dros lwybrau maith, a blodau, can a breuddwyd ar ein taith. I thlygaid syllaf i, a dal yn dy law. Mi gerddaf gyda thi be bynnag ddaw. Mi gerddaf gyda thi drwy weddill fy oes. Pan fydd hael ar fryn neu'r dyddiau yn groes. A phan ddaw'r alwad, pwy a wyr pa awr. Mi gerddaf gyda thi i'r freuddwyd fawr.
I promise that our journey together will continue to be filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. I'll show my love through my day-to-day actions, and I'll always strive to make you feel as special as you are to me. I love you more than words can describe, and can't imagine my life without you by my side.
I make these vows so that in our marriage we continue to grow together. I make these vows so that in our marriage we find a constant source of peace, joy and love. I make these vows so that in our marriage we stand the test of time. And thank you so much for choosing me 10 years ago and every day since.